Monday, 8:30.
Oh great, our new interns have arrived. Hey, I'm your boss, Greg. I'm also your friend. Here's your desk. You're going to have to share for it. Who knows, maybe two of you will fall in love or something. Let's get you started with a quick team building exercise. There's too much stuff on this desk. Let's smash something. The only problem is that 3 of these 4 items are important, so only 1 can be smashed. One of you has 4 buttons on your device, 1 for each item on the desk. The others each have 1 or more rules that when combined will determine which of the 4 items is worthless and can be smashed. You need to work together so that the person with the buttons knows which one to push.
Uy, grabe ka!
Ano gagawin? Don't smash the phone. Okay.
Don't smash the computer.
Ano gagawin?
Okay. Ano pa sa'yo? Don't smash the plant. So meaning teacher, you need to smash phone.
Oh! Ang galing nyo! Hoy, may oras yan ah! May oras ka!
Okay.
I think this team is ready for some real work. Your bomb corps can make lots of bombs, but we are very disorganized. Sometimes the bombs just start going off by themselves. We're not very good at making bombs that don't start going off by themselves. In that case, the bomb's instruction manual will automatically appear on your devices, as well as buttons that let you cut wires. But be careful, the rules for how to defuse the bomb are spread across all of your devices.
Sige lang, sige lang.
And all of you may not have the buttons to cut the wires, so you need to work together. Oh no. Here's one now. Defuse this bomb before time runs out, or it'll explode and kill us all.
Page 1 ako. Cut the second wire if it is white.
Cut all yellow wire.
Walang yellow.
Bakit yan ka?
Even if it is yellow.
Cut the second wire if it is white. Wire 2. Wire 2. Okay. And then...
Oh man, here's another bomb set to go off. Make sure this one doesn't blow up and kill us all.
Cut the third wire if it is green.
Cut the first wire if it is blue.
No. Cut the second. Cut the third wire if it is green. Yes,
Yeah,
cut that.
okay,
So, muna ako tama.
Di, wag kang spoiler.
Cut the second wire if it is red.
Spoiler.
Yes.
Gusto sumali.
I wasn't even born in 1986.
That's it. You're on the list. Okay, back to work. While you were on your coffee break, the bombs really started to stack up over here. Linda, I like to get in other people's business. Defuse these 3 bombs before they explode and kill me.
Grabe mo, grabe talaga.
If there is a red wire present, cut the third wire.
If there is a red wire, cut the third wire, okay? If there is a green wire present, cut the fourth. No. Then if there is a white wire present, cut the second wire. Second wire.
No, third. Third and second.
10, 9, 8,
2 beans pa gago. Meron pa ba yan?
O, ayun pa isa.
Wait,
Okay,
page
page
1.
one.
Page 1. Cut the wires next to wire 1. Wires.
Two, okay. Cut the second wire.
Binibili.
Cut all yellow wires.
Yellow wire.
Yellow wires, wire 2.
Wag mo na, basta sabi ko. Basta yung
Okay, before this weekend. Now it's time for me to go home to my apartment, which is also
Hindi, saan na? O, hindi ko matukayo kung nagsusunod.
Continue.
Walang magbubukas.
Ay, ganun ba nangyari? Ganun ba nangyari? Wala rin bukas?
Kanino?
You made it for your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy was first day here.
Wala na.
Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all get
Ang tagal ni Baby.
Ito na. Final na to. Last na po ha. Yung na.
Ang dami-dami ka rin.
After wire 2, even if page 2 says that you should not carry wire 2, do not wire 2.
Grabe ka.
Reklamo pa rin ngayon. Ano ba to? Ano ba to, Joe? Reklamo pa rin.
Kami nga yan.
Three.
2, 3.
Boom!
It smells real good.
Monday pa lang.
You're getting so good with these bombs, but unfortunately, I have a much more daunting task for you. You'll each receive a list of names in your device. Pressing the buttons one at a time, put the names in the correct order.
Ano ba?
Oh, and if you get something wrong, the filing cabinet will blow up.
35 minutes na yung
Yeah,
box
I know, it sucks. Good luck.
Grabe kasi dinadaya niyo ako.
Wala sumadaya sa'yo, makaba.
My last name.
Dinadaya ako ni Kuya Arvin.
Author.
Hindi mo pili.
From A to Z. Last name? Sino mo ikaw?
Ay, dyan na yung sasabi ko. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Oh my God, sorry. I failed. Akala ko akin lang.
Selfish ka pala.
Sorry.
Hey, welcome back. You made it through your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy on his first day here.
Excited.
Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all die.
O, yung muna picture dyan. Picture lang yan.
Ikaw yung page 2.
Ay, nakakadaya tayo. Ay, talaga kung bulo na ba to? Sige.
Ayoko na. May kwarto na.
Oo, may kwarto na.
Ako na sa kwarto.
Even worse, ikaw ang most maybe.
Hoy, usapan natin na. Kami kasama ha.
Sarapay ha.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ano yan? May
Ano usapan niya? Wala.
Ay, chismoso!
Diba? Hindi ko pa nalagay talaga.
Kulang. Dapat masahin talaga
These
lahat.
bombs, but unfortunately, I have a much more daunting task for you. Filing.
Go,
Oh, and if you get something
honey.
wrong, the filing cabinet will blow up. Yeah, I know, it sucks. Good luck.
Kayo na bahala dyan. Oh my God!
Ano ba yan?
TJ,
S-I-D.
B muna, B. B.
Gawin mo ba to? Alalayan mo na ito kung takina sa gawin mo. Mukhang mape-first time mo. Nagkakatayo kami.
Dapat dinadaya mo.
Kaya maumunta na. Kaya maumunta na.
What I'm saying is, I think we would be better off if the government took high-tech tracking devices in our brains.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm right, and you know it.
Ano na? Binibili. Hawa kang bitaw.
You have digital versions of all this stuff anyway. I have a much easier task. Defusing these 3 bombs before they kill everyone in the office.
Do not cut the fourth wire even if I say.
Okay, 4. Wala nang 4. Page 3 supposed to say odd but not even. Not even, so meaning
10,
1 at 3.
9.
Kami nga, Bilib. Ano ka lang? Saan mo?
One more. Page 1.
Page 2.
Page 1.
If the bang was made in 1986, white wires was black. Black siya. Cut all red wires. Cut all white wires. Lahat, ikat.
If the box was made in 1992,
Lahat ikat.
okay, lahat.
Walang ikat.
Wala pa kayo nakita! 1986 eh.
1986 tama naman.
Hindi, may sinabi ko isa. Ayan o, if the bomb was made 19...
Treat the white as black.
Wala, may na kayo. Inom kayo. Inom kayo.
Nakapilit.
Ito.
Rest, mamit tayo. Pagkatapos si Philip, may
So 1 and 4.
Page 4.
Wala minute bago sa... Para mapainom sila Philip. Sumamit, para mapainom.
1, 4, 2.
Para mapainom sila. Para mapainom sila. Sumamit tayo. Okay. Para sumamit para mapainom sila. Sumamit tayo. Okay. Para mapainom sila.
Try again ba?
Para mapainom sila.
Grabe ito may measure pang dalawa.
Uy,
grabe!
try again ba? Try again. Lahat.
Okay, para mapainom sila.
Hey, you made it through your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy died on his first day here. Poor Trevor. Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb.
Yung dati nga eh, puro occasional mo.
Yellow wires is the number. No. Otherwise, not cut yellow wire. Second wire.
Sabi nila eh, yung dati daw puro ininom. Sino ba yung dati? Sino ba yung dati puro ininom?
Okay. Okay.
Hindi yan ah.
Hindi mo alam, lasing ka.
Tapos yun.
Toronto.
But unfortunately, I have a much more daunting task.
Nakagapil sa baba.
The filing cabinet.
Kababa, sa liit. Pero hindi ako
Good
nagsusunod.
luck.
Ay, shit. By last name?
I mo lang kuya.
E. J. M.
Ano ka bata? O?
N. P. Ay!
Isama kasi ng puro eh.
Ano ba? Joey, putang na 40 minutes na to.
I was probably a lemur in a past life. So what Alex was saying.
Nakita ko si Esteban na...
Sorry about that filing. We have digital versions of all this anyway. Oh, I have a much easier task for you. Using these 3 bombs before they kill everyone in the office.
Busak kita eh.
Wires need to be cut in order from right to left. Okay, right to left. Okay. Cut wire P if it is red. No. Right to left. Wire P is red. It's not. It is. Cut all wires adjacent to wire. So, red and 2.
Bottom up.
Okay?
Buti ito yung una.
Arty Macha.
Grabe oy, nagluluhan na ako. Oy, di ko uminom.
Okay.
Arty Macha.
Hindi ko kaya. Ayaw mo yan. Hindi ko kaya saan dito na. Lalabas ko. Ay, kailangan ito i-cheer nyo. Cheer. Kato. Ano? Hindi, CR na po. CR na po.
Mamaya ka mag-CR. Pagkatapos mo, pagkatapos. Ikaw pinaka ka mag-CR.
Okay.
Pag-inom ko na lang, mas talaga. Mas suka talaga ako. May banyo dyan.
Walang weak wire. Then, all ano ba? Cut all wires next to wire 2 and 5.
Uy, 1.5. Say-say lang.
Paglalang na 5.
Malapit na sumabog. Sahod ka ulit.
Hindi ko pa naintindihan.
Joey. Ang tagal na, nadaya ka na naman.